After a recent video about some fatalities that took place due to old webbing, there were several questions, and I want to address those in a video. First, this is a brand new sewn runner. It's perfectly good. The coloration is perfect. And this is one you would purchase over the counter. You can see here on this tag, you can see a manufacture date. This particular runner, I pulled it right out of our shop. It was manufactured in 2021. If those are never used, they have 10 years. If they're used regularly or they're used occasionally, it's 5 years. And if you're pulling them out every single weekend, you really should probably be replacing those types of runners every 2 to 3 years. This is a piece of 1-inch tubular webbing. This is what you find all over the country to rappel off of. Note, this is brand new. I just pulled it out of our shop. It is dark blue. There's no discoloration whatsoever. When this starts to get bad, it'll get crusty. There'll be a little bit of a crusty feeling to it, or it'll start to change colors. And so sometimes you'll see one side will be perfectly blue and you'll look on the other side and it'll be, whitish. Those are bad signs. Those are red flags, reasons not to rappel off of something or to add another sling or to back up your system. A ring bend, which is commonly, many people use the term water knot for this particular knot, is tied like this. Do a single overhand. I take the other end and I slide it through. Wrap it all the way around. Bring it through the other side. And I have this really nice flat knot. Okay, so imagine somebody's rappelling on this, and this is essentially what's happening, is every single time the person rappels, or a different person rappels, the knot is being flexed like this. This is very dramatic because it's a loose knot. But you can see slowly this tail is moving in. Each tail is just moving almost just a tiny bit on each time. You can experiment with this at home and keep doing it. Do it for like 30 minutes and the tails will just go right through. And so if you have a really short tail on the end, it makes it more likely it's going to pull through. So check this stuff. Check it, recheck it, recheck it, recheck it. Check it again. Finally, if you're rappelling, it's best to rappel off of some kind of a ring, not directly off the webbing. It makes it easier to pull. I sometimes will leave a carabiner. Sometimes I'll leave a non-locker and just tape it shut. That also decreases the cost. But if you have rings, that's the best.